Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable virtual background on a Zoom meeting. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Zoom meeting, and as you can see, I have created a virtual meeting, and I'm going to show you how we can enable the virtual background. So I'm going to go to this menu. You can click on this little arrow, and then you can click on adjust background and effect. Okay, and here you can choose your virtual background. You can use background from Zoom, or you can add your own background. If you want to add your own background, you can click on this plus icon, and then you can add image or video. For example, I'm going to add this image. Okay, I'm going to make this image as my background. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the virtual background has been added to my video. Okay, and I'm going to try to turn on my camera. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable virtual background on the Zoom meeting. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!